Lisa Harris here, and boy do I have opportunity for you. Duplex right behind me, side A, side B, 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, both side. Hey, live in one side, rent out the other. The start of your American dream. Take a look.
This is a wonderful newer duplex built in 2019. Each unit has 2 bedrooms and 2 full baths, an open floor plan, and a great sized kitchen. Both units have vinyl plank flooring and granite countertops, giving you a luxurious feel. Plus, there's plenty of living space with the comfortable living room. You'll love the convenience of having washer and dryer hookups and refrigerators in each unit. Finally, enjoy the fresh air on your private covered patio. Don't miss this great opportunity.
Remember, this opportunity is in Canyon. You can rent to college students. For your personal tour, call me, Lisa Harris, 806-433-2783.